Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Ton Energy. It's all about Jerusalem music. The new EP album is coming up on this Saturday, on the 3rd of April 2021. The EP title called Sorry, and the first single is released on this Saturday, on the 3rd of April, featuring OD. So guys, keep on watching, subscribe, share every social network platform, every marketing platform, it's up there. Ton Energy, Jerusalem music, big ups everywhere. Just click up there and you catch me there, bro. Let's have fun together. Osana, 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 yeah, mama yantue, mama mi ma yantue, yantue, Osana, 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 yeah. Osana, Usha many woman bandana, Upulo adri henny banana, January spread to December, Nyamiaba, you help me from Monday to Friday. Every day I'm happy for my B-day. Ton Energy.